Imagine printing a house like you would a document, layer by layer, with precision, speed, and virtually zero waste. This isn't science fiction or a distant concept. Thanks to AI-driven 3D printing technology, the future of affordable, sustainable housing is unfolding right now, reshaping the way we think about construction, design, and home ownership. This convergence of AI and 3D printing is not just an innovation, it's a revolution poised to redefine how we build, live, and interact with our living spaces. From the materials that form our walls to the energy systems that power our appliances, AI is infusing intelligence into every brick, beam, and blueprint, opening doors to a new era of hyper-efficient, eco-conscious construction. But before we dive deeper into this transformative technology, make sure you hit subscribe this video and turn on notifications so you never miss a breakthrough that could redefine the way we live. Also, let us know in the comments, would you consider living in a 3D printed home if it meant cutting your housing costs in half? Could you see yourself in a neighborhood where every house is uniquely designed by AI, built in days, and optimized for sustainability? The conversation we start today could shape the neighborhoods of tomorrow, influencing not just how homes are built but how communities are envisioned. Traditional construction is slow, expensive, and notoriously wasteful. It generates up to 30% of the world's solid waste, relies on outdated building techniques, and often results in cost overruns and significant project delays. These inefficiencies have plagued the housing industry for decades, leading to housing shortages, inflated prices, and environmental degradation. The conventional approach relies on labor-intensive processes and rigid supply chains, which are ill-equipped to meet the evolving demands of a growing global population. Enter AI-optimized 3D printed homes, a game-changer poised to disrupt the status quo and introduce a new era of intelligent construction where automation and data-driven precision take center stage. Companies like Icon and Mighty Buildings are at the forefront, harnessing artificial intelligence to streamline every aspect of home construction. From material selection to structural integrity, AI algorithms analyze thousands of design permutations to find the most efficient, cost-effective solutions. This isn't just about building faster, it's about building smarter, more responsibly, and with a level of precision that human labor alone could never achieve. AI is transforming construction from an industry of estimations to one of exact science, where decisions are made based on real-time data rather than outdated blueprints. These companies are pioneering techniques that allow AI to optimize even the smallest details, like the angle of a wall for passive cooling or the precise curvature of a roof for maximum water runoff efficiency. Icon, for example, uses a proprietary concrete mix called lavacrete, meticulously engineered to be extruded by robotic arms with pinpoint accuracy, forming walls, ceilings, and intricate architectural details with a level of precision that human craftsmanship can't consistently match. This blend isn't just about strength. AI continuously analyzes local climate patterns, soil compositions, and seismic activity to adjust the lavacrete formula in real time, ensuring optimal performance in diverse environments, whether it's the arid deserts of Texas or the humid coastlines of Florida. Icon's approach integrates a dynamic feedback loop, where AI systems monitor humidity, temperature, and curing times during the printing process, adapting layer thickness and drying rates to prevent microcracks and ensure structural integrity over decades. This intelligent feedback loop reduces construction waste to near zero by calibrating exactly how much material is needed at each phase, eliminating the excess typically associated with conventional construction. Icon is not just printing homes, they are engineering resilience into every layer, ensuring that these structures can withstand the environmental challenges of the 21st century. Their homes boast enhanced energy efficiency due to their monolithic design, reducing thermal bridging and making them ideal candidates for passive solar heating and cooling. Additionally, the versatility of lavacrete allows Icon to experiment with complex, biomimetic designs that were once impractical due to material and labor constraints, enabling architects to think beyond the rectangle and embrace organic flowing forms that blend with the natural environment. Mighty Buildings takes a slightly different approach, leveraging AI to automate both design and production processes. Their proprietary lightstone material is 30% lighter than concrete, but equally resilient. AI software evaluates each design iteration for thermal efficiency, structural soundness, and aesthetic appeal, ensuring every home is tailored for beauty, function, and long-term sustainability. Their automated factory setups enable continuous production, significantly reducing build times while maintaining superior quality. Think of it as a symphony of robots orchestrated by AI, each movement calculated to perfection, crafting homes with a consistency and precision that human labor simply can't match. Mighty Buildings is also exploring ways to integrate recycled materials into their lightstone blend, pushing the envelope on circular construction practices. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. AI doesn't just optimize the build process, it reimagines architectural design itself. Generative design algorithms can create structures that mimic patterns found in nature, like honeycombs, coral reefs, and fractals, resulting in buildings that are not only visually stunning, but also inherently strong and resource efficient. Imagine homes that naturally regulate temperature and airflow, reducing the need for HVAC systems and lowering energy consumption by design. AI is giving architects a new palette, one that learns, evolves, and innovates with every project, continuously refining its designs based on performance data from previously built structures. And the speed? Truly astonishing. Icon's advanced 3D printers can erect a 2,000 square foot home in just 48 hours, layer by meticulous layer. Mighty Buildings completes modular units in a factory setting within mere weeks, ensuring quality, control, and consistency. This rapid production drastically reduces labor costs, minimizes human error, and virtually eliminates common construction delays. What used to take months or even years can now be accomplished in days, opening up new possibilities for disaster relief housing, affordable urban developments, and customizable vacation homes that can be delivered on demand. The scalability of this technology means that housing crises, which previously seemed insurmountable, can now be addressed with precision and speed. We're witnessing a paradigm shift. AI-powered 3D printing is democratizing homeownership by making high-quality, eco-friendly homes accessible to a broader population. These homes generate significantly less waste, use fewer raw materials, and often come equipped with integrated solar panels, smart energy systems, and water-efficient appliances right from the start. It's not just about building homes faster, it's about creating smarter living environments that align with global sustainability goals. This fusion of technology and design is laying the groundwork for cities of the future, cities that breathe, adapt, and thrive with their inhabitants. Entire communities could soon be designed and built in collaboration with AI, ensuring that every structure is optimized for its unique location and purpose. Pause for a moment and think about this. What if entire neighborhoods could be printed on demand, customized to community needs, and built in record time? That's not a distant dream. It's a near-future reality already in pilot programs across the globe. Countries facing housing crises are exploring 3D printed communities as a viable solution. We're seeing developments where entire villages are printed in weeks, with each home optimized for its specific geographic and climatic conditions. Imagine a future where you could design your dream neighborhood online and see it materialize in just a few months, complete with parks, schools, and community centers all printed and assembled with AI precision. If you're enjoying this deep dive into AI-driven construction, give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you stay updated on the latest breakthroughs in future tech. Of course, challenges remain. Building codes, zoning regulations, and public perception are still catching up with this technological leap. There's a learning curve for municipalities to adapt policies that accommodate 3D printed structures. Construction industries are also grappling with workforce transitions as automation becomes more prevalent. However, with escalating demand for sustainable, affordable housing and the undeniable economic advantages, it's only a matter of time before 3D printed homes transition from pilot projects to mainstream adoption. Governments and institutions are beginning to recognize the urgency of adopting these innovations to address housing shortages on a global scale, and we are seeing policy shifts that favor faster integration of AI-driven construction methods. Innovations are accelerating rapidly. AI models are evolving to predict material behaviors under different environmental stresses, optimize energy consumption in real time, and even forecast maintenance needs of 3D printed structures years in advance. The fusion of AI and construction isn't just about faster builds, it's about smarter, greener, and more adaptive living environments. Future homes will be embedded with sensors that communicate with AI systems to monitor structural health, energy usage, and environmental impact, creating a self-aware living space. Imagine homes that notify you of a minor crack before it becomes a costly repair, or systems that adjust your home's energy consumption based on your daily routine. These intelligent ecosystems will transform homes into active participants in energy grids, dynamically balancing supply and demand while reducing overall consumption. Imagine walking into a home designed by AI, printed with minimal waste, self-sufficient in energy, and custom-tailored to your lifestyle preferences. Think of personalized floor plans that adapt to your family's needs, walls that intelligently regulate insulation, and roofs that optimize solar energy capture. That future isn't decades away. It's happening now, in real time, with prototypes being tested in diverse environments from urban centers to remote rural landscapes. We are moving towards an era where homes are no longer static structures but dynamic ecosystems that evolve with their inhabitants. The convergence of AI, 3D printing, and smart home technologies will redefine not just the way homes are built, but the way we experience living in them. As the technology matures, we're likely to see partnerships between AI architects, 3D printing manufacturers, and sustainability experts to create fully circular homes, structures designed from the ground up to be disassembled and reused, leaving no trace on the environment. The concept of build it, live in it, recycle it, will become a tangible reality, reducing the ecological footprint of housing developments to near zero. Additionally, AI-driven lifecycle analysis will allow for predictive maintenance, ensuring that materials are repurposed efficiently, extending their usability across multiple generations of homes. These advancements will foster a new era of regenerative architecture where buildings give back more than they consume. In addition, we may see AI-driven customization platforms where future homeowners can collaborate with AI to design their dream homes, selecting features, materials, and layouts in a fully interactive experience. This level of personalization, combined with the speed and efficiency of 3D printing, will redefine what it means to build a home. Home buyers could soon experience virtual walkthroughs of their AI-designed homes before a single layer of material is printed, ensuring that every detail aligns with their vision. The future of home design will be as dynamic and fluid as the people who live in them, with AI acting as a co-creator and bringing those visions to life. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, share this video, and turn on notifications. The future of housing is being printed before our eyes. This is Tech Mythos.